fix Valorant crashing mid-game or at startup. And if your matches keep closing, let me ask you, or you try to play Valorant, but a game crashes unexpectedly or won't even start. This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or background apps conflict with Riot services. Sometimes recent Windows updates or antivirus also trigger crashes. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file, edits, complicated reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact game file, driver, and system path that causes crashes. This works because it restores proper communication between Valorant and Windows. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Valorant launches normally, runs smoothly, and crashes disappear. I tested this fix on multiple PCs. It worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Valorant crashing is ruining your gameplay and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.